Subscribe to CoinZF right now and become part of a smart community that discovers the hidden stories and surprising values behind everyday coins. Today, I'm holding something that many people have spent without a second thought, a 20 cent coin from Germany, minted in 2002 with the G mint mark. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary piece of pocket change. But once you understand its history, its design, and the small details that collectors search for, you'll never look at this coin the same way again. The year 2002 was very special for Europe. It was the first year euro coins officially entered circulation across many countries. Germany, one of the strongest economies in Europe, produced millions of coins that year, but not all were made equal. The G mint mark tells us this coin was produced in Karlsruhe, one of Germany's historic minting locations. Each German mint had its own letter, and collectors often prefer certain mints because of quality, lower production numbers, or special characteristics. The 20 cent coin itself has a unique look compared to other euro coins. Its shape is not perfectly round, and it has a slightly rough, indented edge that makes it easy to recognize even in the dark. This design wasn't just for style. It was created to help people, especially the elderly and visually impaired, quickly identify the coin by touch. When the euro was introduced, designers worked hard to make every coin feel different in the hand, and the 20 cent is one of the most recognizable. On the German side of the coin, you'll see the famous Brandenburg Gate, one of the most powerful symbols of German history and unity. This monument once stood between East and West Berlin during the Cold War and later became a symbol of freedom when Germany reunited. Having this landmark on the coin connects everyday money with deep national pride and historical change. For many collectors in the 55 to 65 age group, this image brings back memories of a divided Europe and the incredible transformation that followed. Now let's talk about what makes the 2002 G Mint version interesting for collectors. During the first year of euro production, machines were running at high speed to meet demand. This led to a number of small minting variations and occasional errors. Some coins were struck slightly off-center, some had weaker details, and others showed unusual textures. While most of these coins are common, certain well-preserved examples or rare error pieces have attracted serious attention in the collector market. Condition plays a huge role in coin value. A 20 cent coin that has been heavily used, scratched, or worn down is usually worth only its face value. But coins that were carefully kept, never circulated, and still shine with their original mint luster can be far more desirable. Collectors often use magnifying glasses to check fine details like the sharpness of the Brandenburg Gate lines, the clarity of the year, and the strength of the mint mark. Some collectors also search for slight color differences in the alloy. The 20 cent coin is made from a special blend known as Nordic gold, which doesn't actually contain gold, but has a golden color that resists corrosion. Over time, certain batches developed slightly different tones, making some coins stand out visually. These small differences can sometimes spark big interest among dedicated euro coin collectors. Another exciting aspect is the story of early euro hoarding. When a euro first launched, many people across Europe kept rolls of brand new coins as souvenirs. Years later, these untouched coins sometimes reappear in collections or estates, often in perfect condition. A 2002 G20 cent coin from one of these original rolls can look almost brand new even today, more than 2 decades later. Collectors also appreciate the historical importance of first-year issue coins. Just like in other currencies, the first year a coin is released often carries extra meaning. The 2002 euro coins represent the birth of a shared European currency, a moment that changed everyday life for millions of people. For older viewers who remember exchanging their old marks, francs, and lira for euros, these coins hold emotional value as well as financial interest. Over the years, interest in euro coin collecting has steadily grown, not just in Europe, but around the world. Many collectors from the United States, Asia, and the Middle East now seek early euro issues, especially from major countries like Germany. The combination of history, design, and variety makes these coins appealing even to people who never lived in Europe. Some rare versions of euro coins with errors or extremely high-grade condition have sold for surprising prices at auctions. While most 20-cent coins remain common, stories of collectors finding valuable pieces in everyday change continue to fuel excitement. This is why people keep checking their wallets, jars, and old drawers at home. You never truly know what hidden treasure might be sitting there. If you have a 2002 G 20 euro cent coin, take a closer look. Check the year carefully. Look for the G mint mark. Examine the surface for sharp details and unusual marks. If it looks especially clean or different from others, it might be worth having it looked at by a professional coin dealer or collector. Coin collecting is not just about money. It's about history, memories, and the thrill of discovery. Each coin tells a story about the time it was made, the people who used it, and the events happening in the world. The 2002 German 20 euro cent coin is a small piece of metal that represents a massive change in European history. Many viewers in their later years enjoy collecting as a relaxing and rewarding hobby. It keeps the mind active, encourages learning, and can even bring families together as stories are shared about old currencies and travels. Searching through coins becomes like a treasure hunt, where every piece has the potential to surprise you. And now, the moment everyone waits for. According to the exciting claim circulating among collectors and online discussions, this specific 20 euro cent Germany 2002 G coin has been valued at an incredible $12,015. Whether you believe this value or simply enjoy the fascinating story behind the coin, one thing is certain. Ordinary-looking coins can sometimes carry extraordinary interest. If you enjoyed learning about this coin and want to discover more hidden coin stories and amazing values, stay connected with Coins ZF and keep exploring the world of rare and collectible coins.